It's raining today. Warm rain, softer than any we've had all summer. Belyi lies on the porch, his fur gray from earth and sand. He doesn't like the house much. He loves open space, the sky, the wind, the freedom to just be. And me? I'm in a day of silence. The world feels turbulent. Everyone's shouting, selling, rushing. Don't waste your life. Become rich. Keep moving or you're lost. But this rain, it falls so quietly. It reminds me, life isn't only thunder and lightning. It's also this breath, this hand on Belyi's back, this stillness. And this stillness isn't emptiness, it's clarity. Because what's outside is always a mirror of what's within. If your world feels like chaos, look inside. What are you fighting? With whom? Why is there no room for quiet in your life? True peace isn't found by escaping the storm. It's found by listening to the soft voice beneath the noise. So today, I'm not fixing anything. I'm just here, listening to the rain, listening to myself. You are already enough, just as you are.